If you guys have followed my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm a smart home guy from way back when, you know, back in the X10 days. Well, today I'm gonna tackle a problem that a lot of people have, and that is, what do you do with ceiling fans, right? So if you don't have good controls in the wall up to your fan, so if you just got power, then you can turn the whole thing on or off, but then what do you do about the actual fan itself versus the light? And they have remote controls and stuff like that, but that's kind of old school, doesn't give you voice control, so I'm gonna try a new product. So you can see I've got like an old traditional fan here. This is nothing special at all. It just has 2 pull controls on it, right? And that's it. But down here, I've got a new fan from Dreo. Dreo, I'm not sure exactly the correct pronunciation, but it is a smart ceiling fan, the CLF 521S. And I'm gonna give this guy a try. So we're gonna install this today and see how the smart features function and see if this is better than this. And I hope it is, because this seems like it's gonna be way cooler. So stick around, we're gonna uninstall that fan, install this guy, and then test it out and see what happens. The next step is to get this fan out of the box. And as I take things out of the box, I'm going to be installing them up into the ceiling. But let's take a look and see what's in this guy right now. What's happening here? It says to open here on top, and that's what I'm doing. And it shows the package contents: bracket, downward ball, down rod, extra down rod, whole bunch of stuff. And installation video should be pretty straightforward. And we got a lot of stuff. Instructions, control panel, the blades. Okay, so this is the white model, looks like. Yeah, definitely. And then all the bits and pieces. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start putting this up on the ceiling. Guess it just is what it is. Okay. Now that we've got the ceiling fan in the ceiling, apparently we can attach this to our Wi-Fi. So we're gonna try and get that done. And we do that using an app. So I've installed the app, and it's now asking if it would like to use Bluetooth. And we're gonna figure this out as we go along. I've never done this before, so it's all new to me. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and create an account. And let me do that while we... All right, got the account created, and it's asked me now to create a nickname, and we're gonna call this what? Family Room? Family Room Fan, I guess. Oh, I don't know. Maybe that wasn't. I don't know. I don't know what the nickname was for. Let's add a device. Searching for nearby devices. Hey, there's a ceiling fan. Looks good. That's the one. And it just changed the light, I guess, to let us know. And we're gonna allow while using the app. And we're gonna choose my Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna put my password in. And now it's connecting the device to the router. We got a beep, and we're going to call this family room ceiling fan. Done. It says tap device image to control. Next. You can also tap the area below to control. Next. Set up a timer. Refresh. There we go. One of the big issues that I've always had with ceiling fans, or pretty much any other kind of controllable device, is that you have to use a remote control for it or an app or something like that. And that's not how we really want to interact. We want it to be a little bit easier. Now this one supposedly is useful with Alexa. So we're going to attempt to set that up, and then hopefully we'll just be able to voice control this fan whenever we want to turn the fan on or the lights or whatnot. So let's take a look at the app. So hopefully you can see that we're in the ceiling fan settings, and under voice control there's the Alexa settings, and it gives the controls here to change the fan, the speed, the light, color, temperature, turn the lights on or off. We're going to hit this connect button, and hopefully this will connect us. So we're going to go ahead and try and connect that now and see what happens. Says it's connected. Alexa, turn on family room ceiling fan. Alexa, turn off family room ceiling fan. Alexa, turn off family room ceiling fan light. Alexa, turn on family room ceiling fan light. Looks like it's working. Now it's time for a few final thoughts about the Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan. So, I didn't know exactly what to expect when I got it, but man, I am really pleased with this ceiling fan. One, it gives me all of the voice control that I need to control both the lights and the fan itself. I really enjoy that you can change the color temperature of the light here to make it match the other lights in your room. That's really, really important. The aesthetic is nice and modern. It's got nice, clean lines. The only knocks on it are, like the casing at the top is made out of plastic, so it's not the most premium feel. But outside of that, it functions really well, and it really makes this room a lot easier to deal with from the point of view of controlling the fan. Okay, that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all those things, and I'll see you in the next video.